In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to all pages using Google Sites. If you're building a site and want important details to appear consistently at the bottom of every page, things like your organization name, a short disclaimer, or quick links, this is the simplest and most reliable way to do it. We'll keep it straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a clean, professional footer that automatically shows up across your entire site. First, open your Google Sites project. You can do this by heading to Google Sites and selecting the site you want to edit. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can make changes. You'll know you're ready if you can see the page canvas and the editing tools on the right. It doesn't matter which page you're viewing to start. Since we're creating a site-wide footer, the change will apply everywhere. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll see an option labeled Add Footer. Click that, and a dedicated footer area will appear. This is where you enter the content you want displayed on every page. Type in your text, such as your site or organization name, copyright information, or concise navigation links. You can format your text using the built-in toolbar, adjust font size, use bold or italics where appropriate, and add links for quick access to key pages like a contact form or a privacy policy. You can also include a small logo or a simple image if it helps with branding. Just make sure the visuals are clear and don't distract from the essential information. Aim to keep your footer short, readable, and accessible. Use clear language, maintain good contrast for visibility, and avoid clutter. If you include links, label them clearly so visitors know exactly where they lead. It's also a good idea to keep personal or sensitive information out of the footer. Stick to general contact methods or a link to a dedicated contact page. As soon as you add and format your footer here, Google Sites automatically places it at the bottom of every page on your site. There's nothing extra you need to do to copy it over. If you ever need to update it, say to adjust the year or add a new link, just return to this footer area, make your changes once, and they'll be reflected across the entire site. And that's it. You've opened your site, added a footer at the bottom, and created a consistent professional element that appears on every page automatically.